Hi guys, Muller, Travel and Adventure. Now I've just arrived at this old historic town of Milparinka, northwest New South Wales, not far from Tibooburra. All these old buildings here they're restoring for tourism. So shortly we'll go and have a look around and I'll show you guys what there is. And thanks for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, get notifications. Okay, we'll get into it. This is the old post office that they're doing up. They've done some massive work here. Look at all the steel beams. Making sure that it's going to be here forever. All new flooring. Looks like the hybrid type plastic. Couple of rooms here, probably bedrooms maybe. Accommodation. The wind noise is probably bad. It's blowing like K&L here. This is the courthouse. Okay, we'll go in the courthouse. See what's in here.
Sorry.
Honey mate,
I didn't fuck it up.
I forgot to. This is the courthouse. Turn it on. This is the police station, barracks. Go in here and have a look. Obviously stuff for weighing gold, building tools. This is the old police cells, or lock-up as they used to call it. With info. RHDS radio in the old days. Been hot in here in the summertime. And in the day, this would have been the old outhouse. And it looks like it's a double ender, maybe for male and female prisoners. Because we have another end. Right. It's only full of junk now. But probably male and female outhouse. Somebody that died 42 years old. That was pretty common in those days. Old mining stuff. Wow. All this model of like sheep. Like an old sexton. Down here we have like barbed wire. Charleston. Looks like we have Aboriginal art. Looks like mining machinery. Southern Cross. Yeah, Southern Cross was manufacturer of old stuff back in those days. The old single cylinder, very popular. And the good old traction engine. There are thousands of these lying around in paddocks in Australia. Very popular for power. look at this heritage centre. The Albert Goldfields Mining Heritage Centre. Old shovels. Things for bullocks. Started with Charles Stewart. Stirred. I think to shake the gold out. Dry flour. Blower. Stuff they've found. Scales. That'll be a shaker. Get the gold out. Old bench. Pans for panning gold. Yes, see, they have a nice caravan park here, powered, unpowered, $20 to $25 a night. Amenities up there, shower, toilet, pubs up here for meals. Come and see the history, it's worthwhile. Okay guys, that's it. A little bit of an overview. What it's like here at Milparinka, just out of Tibooburra. Okay, if you like, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye guys.